So there's a lot of benefits to SD-WAN. Self-healing attributes so that when traffic is flowing and there's issues on the circuit in a traditional environment, you're going to feel that. You're going to feel packet loss. You're going to feel latency and jitter and those kinds of things. With SD-WAN, there's self-healing attributes that self-heal that traffic. And with forward error correction, things like that, packet duplication. And so the circuit degrading is seamless to the user experience. And then, of course, what happens there is we get alerted that there's a degraded circuit. Customer is unaware, and we can go in and call the carrier and work through fixing the issue. Now, in the future, where we're going with this is ultimately, again, being able to manage to the customer experience. And it's kind of an odd concept because, if you talk to service providers today, carriers and so forth, they'll look at you with a blank stare when you talk about perhaps wrapping SLAs around the customer experience, right? Today, it's all about availability, up, down. And that's what our metrics provide too. We provide up, down, right? 3 nines, 4 nines, 5 nines. But is that truly the user experience? And it's not, because I can provide a 3 or even a 4-9 experience that will be a poor experience to the user. Take a degraded circuit where you've got packet loss. What's that user going to experience? Well, if it's a teller in a financial institution in front of a computer helping a customer, it could be a disconnected session. If it's the CEO on the phone talking to a customer, it could be garbled voice. I'm still providing that availability, and I'm still high-fiving myself because I've met my SLA. But the user experience was poor. And so what we need to do is transition to an SLA based on the user experience. And up to this point, we've not been able to do it. But now we're getting close to being able to do just that. So we have the metrics and so forth built into the code now where we can measure and report on the user experience without getting real technical. There's an algorithm and so forth that if we don't meet a certain threshold, the user's going to have a poor experience. And there's 3 types of experiences. There's transactional, there's video, and there's voice. And so each one is different. Video is going to be the highest level. It's going to be most sensitive to any kind of hiccup on the network, whereas transactional, not so much. And so we have the capability of monitoring, managing, alerting, and wrapping SLAs around that user experience.